A wonderful day to you, dear learners. Get ready for an exciting adventure of discovery as we dive into the technology and livelihood education major. Let's review a 10-item practice test. Set 6A. Your safety is our utmost priority, so please remember to take all necessary precautions while engaging with this video. May you feel supported, protected, and motivated on your journey toward knowledge and growth. Join me here on the TLE YouTube channel for an inspiring experience as we uncover fresh ideas, hone our skills, and embrace the joy of learning together.
Commit your way to the Lord, trust also in him, and he shall bring it to pass. Psalm 37 verse 5. The practice of adding baking soda when cooking vegetables for the purpose of retaining the green color and the crispiness should be avoided primarily because A. The flavor of vegetable is modified. B. They become hard to digest. C. They become less perishable. D. Vitamin C is destroyed in the presence of alkali. It is the end product of the accounting process. It is the means by which quantitative information about monetary activities of a business enterprise can be provided to parties concerned like management, government, among others. A. Financial statement. B. Income statement. C. Balance sheet. D. Book of final entry. These are obligations which are not expected to require the use of current assets or the creation of current liabilities within the year or operating cycle. A. Accrued liabilities. B. Current liabilities. C. Long-term liabilities. D. Short-term liabilities. They are on the right, and an increase in a credit account decrease a debit account. A. Credit account. B. Debit account. C. Nominal account. D. Real account. It is used in pairs, one to grip the pipe and other to turn the fitting, which have adjustable, toothed jaws designed for gripping and turning threaded pipes and pipe fitting. A. Pipe wrench. B. Adjustable wrench. C. Rib joint pliers. D. Locking pliers. It is where plumbing started. A. Egypt. B. Greek. C. Rome. D. Athens. Decomposition of organic matter from human waste is bacteriological process caused by the following except A. Anaerobic bacteria called anaerobes. B. Aerobic bacteria called aerobes. C. Anaerobic decomposition. D. Facultative bacteria. It comes in a metal or plastic case, with a cotton line coming out of one end and in use is drawing a steroid line. A. Brushes. B. Jointers. C. Steel square. D. Chalk line. A butt is a wood joint usually fastened by nails, wood screws or A. Cement. B. Dowels. C. Epoxy. D. None of these. It helps to return the skin to its proper pH after washing it with soap and water. A. Face cleansers. B. Face creams. C. Face lotions. D. Face toners. Please compare your selected answers with the answers listed in the answer key provided. If your chosen answer matches the one in the answer key, mark it as correct. After reviewing all the questions and answers, calculate your final score based on the number of correct answers. Point 3. How did you score? Did you achieve a high score? If so, congratulations on a job well done. If not, don't worry. You can review this video to further enhance your understanding of the topic. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Philippians 4 verse 13. I hope you enjoyed and learned something new from the Teacher Lumaban YouTube channel. If you learned something from this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share it with your friends so they can also learn about this topic. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, feel free to leave a message in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching my videos. I hope to see you again in my next blog, and God bless you always.